His DNA says you're wrong. Frogs and snails and puppy dog tails. You've got male pseudo-hermaphroditism. See, we all start out as girls, and then we're differentiated based on our genes. The ovaries develop into testes and drop. But in about 1 in 150,000 pregnancies, a fetus with an XY chromosome, a boy, develops into something else. Like you. Your testes never descended because you're immune to testosterone. You're pure estrogen, which is why you get heightened female characteristics, like clear skin, breasts. The ultimate woman is a man. Nature's cruel, huh?
This is obviously a joke. It's impossible.
No, a joke would be me calling you a homo. See the difference?